James, and I'm 18 years old.
I'm Andrea, I'm 17. With this workshop, we've been learning photography, and being able to use a camera properly makes our photos look better when printing it out and putting it on the portfolio.
One of my favorite activities was when we all had to be in a line, but we couldn't talk, so they would give us a situation going page order, and we had to communicate without talking.
I really like the one where we made bridge out of popsicle sticks. It was really funny because we had all our wallets and our phones, and we just piled on top to see if the bridge can hold it. It was funny.
How much they've grown. I think from the beginning of the project to the end, you can see how much more confident they are in expressing themselves. You can also see how they've formed a community within the space of the workshops, within the space of the program.
Thank you, KELY, so much.